Hey, what is going, guys? I'm back here, Redux Auto Detailing. I just want to show you guys a quick under $100 budget for an auto detailing setup with Amazon. So these products will be available on Amazon. I'll post the link in the description below. I just want to show you guys that these are some products you might want to take into consideration if you don't know where to start in your auto detailing business. Okay, first I want to show you guys the exterior. We're going to begin with a car soap, one of my favorites. It's Chemical Guys Citrus Washing Gloss. This is a really good exterior car soap for all types of vehicles. You know, it has very nice lubricity. It gets all the dirt off. I've never used it in a foam cannon, but I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. I usually use it in my bucket with the 2-bucket wash method. But the reviews on it speak for itself as well. You know, here's some images of the product. You can find this also in Walmart. I've seen it around there. And for $8.85, you get a lot of it because you only really got to apply 1 ounce, I think, per 3 gallons or 5 gallons of water. If you just want to do a basic maintenance wash. If you want to do more of a deep clean, you just add like 3 ounces. But honestly, this could probably, with the 16 ounces, say use it for a maintenance wash. That lasts you 16 cars for $8.85. Depending what your pricing is, you know, you'll probably make a good profit off of it. But this product is really good in my opinion. I use it from time to time. It's in my detail arsenal. You know, 4.7 out of 5 stars out of 1,000 reviews. It's pretty good soap. So you guys want to check it out for car soap. See, now you need something to wash with your car using that car soap. So here's a wash mitt also from the Chemical Guys. Now this one has a lot of great reviews. As you can see in the top right, it has like around 4.5 stars out of 10,000 reviews. This wash mitt is pretty darn well. It gets the job done. Here's some pics. And for $6.99, well, at this time it's $6.99. That's a steal, you know, for a product like this. I know Chemical Guys puts out a lot of good products. This is a really good wash mitt. You always want to get like a microfiber wash mitt, not so much like those hype wash mitts that you'll see time to time. I've seen a lot of bad reviews, but this one's 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's number 1 in cleaning dry mitts as well. So I would definitely recommend at least getting one of these to wash your paint with, to wash your vehicle with. Next thing, now that your car is clean and you wash it properly, now you want to put some paint protection at least, minimum, you know, to have that gloss effect lasting even longer. I usually use this one on my maintenance washes. This is a Turtle Wax Hyper Solution Ceramic Wet Wax. This one's one of my favorites. Super easy to apply. You could even do it in the sun without having any issues. Trust me, when I do my jobs outside and it's just the sun just beating on me, it's like 110 degrees. This will still, obviously you don't want to leave it too long because eventually it will dry up, but you don't have to worry as much as you would for any water spots and stuff. But this was a high gloss, and for $11 it's really good. You know, like Turtle Wax is a very well-known brand. They put up quality stuff. Very easy to apply. It's just, as you can see, it's a light mist, 1 or 2 sprays per panel, and then you wipe off. Literally that easy. It's 4.7 out of 5 stars out of 2,600 reviews. But this is one of my favorites. Like, this is super simple to put on. It's quick and easy. Next up, you want to, obviously, you need some detail brushes. You know, some detail brushes, some wheel brushes, a soft bristle brush. Now, this combo kit I have, it doesn't have that many reviews, and this brand, Takovu, I haven't really heard of, but I do have this, and I really do love the wheel brush. It really it has very, like, you'd think it would be really cheap just because, like, the name of the brand sounds cheap, but actually really good. Like, it helps me clean all of the wheels of the vehicles really fast and efficient. Also, I like that it comes with 5 detail brushes, so you could have one for every purpose. One for just strictly the wheels, one for the paint, one for interior, and then you still have another extra 2 brushes where you could decide what you want to do with it. Also use a soft bristle brush, as you can see on the right, the red one. They're using it on the tires, you can see. I use it for that. It's a really good brush too. And it comes also with a little microfiber. I believe it's a microfiber cleaning cloth. You can use it for whatever you want. But for $19.98, this is a pretty darn good bundle. It only has 57 reviews, but as you can see, not that many negative. But obviously, if you have more curiosity, you can obviously click on the link and see for yourself, read the reviews yourself if you are really interested in seeing this. This is a really good bundle, especially for the price. Now for microfiber cloths, obviously you're going to need some towels to clean the interior, dry the exterior, apply coatings to interior, exterior. Obviously you need some microfiber towels. Now this one, obviously it's not the highest, high quality premium brands like Adams Polishes towels. I know they have really good towels, or the Rag Company, but this will get the job done, especially if you're just starting off and you need to save money, because obviously you haven't made a huge profit margin. But this is a great way to start off. The Kirkland Signature high power premium microfiber towels. For a pack of 36, you get $25. That's really good, especially since you're starting off. And obviously, I don't know your funds or how much money you have to play with, but you want to start off at a low level. So once you build up your business and you have a good incoming clientele, you can spend more on more higher grade quality products. But this still gets the job done, whether interior, exterior, or applying coatings. I'm pretty sure you've seen this around other YouTube channels. But this one has a 4.8 out of 5 stars and a little under 5,000 reviews. But it's really well. One pack, you should be able to do it, a lot of things. Windows, paint, interior, carpets, upholstery, waxes, coatings, stuff like that. Now you want to clean the glass or any mirror surfaces. Visible glass, 22 ounces. This will last you a while, depending how often you use it, but it lasts me a pretty good while. And even then, $3 for a 22 ounce bottle. You can also find some Walmart. It's more convenient there, but for $3.57, this really gets the job done. It leaves a streak-free shine. And really easy to work. But for basic, I really highly recommend this, especially if you're starting off. Let's see the reviews. 4.7 out of 5 stars and a little over 3,000 reviews. Really great. Now after you clean your tires and you use the citrus washing gloss from the chemical guys, and you're done using your detail brushes, you want to leave a good shine on the tire. I highly recommend Meguiar's Hot Shine Tire Spray. Yeah, I don't want to say it's cheap, but it's not high end, especially if you're starting off. Like, this whole point of this list is to start off under $100, because that's your budget, hypothetically. And this, for $4.97, this really does a really great job. I use it for my lower end detail vehicles, like when they choose the lower end packages. But it leaves a really good shine, slick finish. I haven't seen any sling or heard any complaints from my clients, but for $4.97, 24 ounce, you'll get a good usage out of it. You can also find this at Walmart. If you want to get it sooner, you just go to your local Walmart. They carry this, for AutoZone. This is a 4.6 out of 5 stars out of 1,000 reviews. I personally, I really like it. I usually stock up on this. Then last but not least is like your APC / degreaser. Super Clean. Super Clean will be your best friend when you're trying to save money and you're starting up. This literally, you could dilute this a lot of ways. Whether you want to use it for exterior, you want to use it to clean the paint, to clean your tires, your wheels. You want to use it in the interior for a carpet upholstery cleaner. If you want to clean your vinyl, leather, your mirrors. It leaves a sleek shine. But if you have like tough on stains, you could dilute it to the proper dilution ratio. It'll get the stains out. Especially if you want to use it on your door panels, it'll get the job done. Very handy because you could dilute it a lot of ways, and it will save you a lot of money trying to find dedicated products for the little stuff, you know. But this will come in handy. And for the reviews, it is 4.7 out of 5 stars out of 773 ratings. As you can see, a lot of people use it. Great value for your money. But you could also find this at Walmart, AutoZone. A lot of retail stores sell this as well. But obviously, you can buy it on Amazon if you want to do a whole package. And I told you this is going to be under $100. Amazon auto detailing startup. And the total comes out to be, obviously without tax and shipping, is $96. So this is a pretty good deal. Honestly. Yeah, for $96. It's under $100. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that it's possible to do startups, especially if you don't know where to start and you have very limited amounts of money. These are good products to start off with. I'll be doing more videos on even finding cheaper ways. But it's going to take some time. Got to do my research, find some good quality products for a good price. But nonetheless, I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy this blessed day. I don't say that. It's weird. I hope you guys have a great day. You know, please leave a like and subscribe button. I hope you guys have a really great day. Please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't have to, but it's your choice. But I would really appreciate if you do. It would help out the channal. All right, see you guys. Thanks.